Hi, I'm at the Friendly Truck Driving School, and today we're going to be doing a check on the air brake adjustment. So right now, the tractor and trailer are in a safe and level location. The trailer wheels are chalked. I'm going to check the tractor. Both of the tractor brakes and the trailer brakes are applied. The transmission is in neutral. And today we're going to be showing how to identify which brake chamber you have. Tools you're going to need at the very beginning. You're going to need a tape measure. You're going to need a caliper to measure the C-clamp. And of course, you're going to need your list of different brake chamber sizes. So we're going to take our caliper. And we're going to measure the brake chamber at the widest part of the C-clamp. That's about it right there. Yep, that's it right there. Okay. And then we're going to take our tape measure. And we're going to measure it. And it is 175 millimeters. And then we're going to look on our chart, and we see we have two different sizes. So you take the size that is one step down from what we measured. So 175 millimeters, we're going to be looking at 172 millimeters, and there's two. So the top one, it's a round air connector. The bottom one is a square air connector. We're going to go back to the brake chamber, and we're going to feel where the air line connects. And it is a round connector, meaning it's a regular stroke. Then we're going to go back to our chart. So now we have identified it as a regular stroke. So the maximum adjustment limit is 1 3/4 inch. So we're going to start the tractor. I'm going to release the tractor and the trailer brakes. Alright, I'm going to turn the wheels all the way to the left. And the air pressure is built up to around 110. And I'm going to shut the vehicle off. Today we're going to be using the mark and measure to check the adjustment limit. And for a mark, we'll be using a zip tie. So now I'm going to put a brake stick in. Okay, and the air pressure was between 90 and 100. Okay, so we're going to measure the pushrod stroke. And the pushrod stroke is 1.5 inches. This is good. It is less than the adjustment limit of 1.75 inches. Okay, so we're going to secure the vehicle. Okay, the vehicle is secured again. Defect would be if you measure the pushrod stroke of any brake, it exceeds the adjustment limit. In this case, the adjustment limit was 1.75 inch on this brake pod.